Hi everyone, this is Michael Jackson. I want to take a moment to talk about something that's very close to my heart, love and unity. You know, we live in a world that's so full of differences, different cultures, different languages, different ways of life. But at the end of the day, we're all the same. We all want to love and be loved. We all want to feel safe and happy. And it's up to us to create that kind of world for one another. When we care for each other, when we stand together, there's nothing we can't do. We can heal the planet. We can lift each other up. We can make this world a better place, not just for ourselves, but for future generations. So keep dreaming, keep believing, and most importantly, keep spreading love. Remember, it all starts with us. I love you all, and together we can make a change. Thank you.
Hi and welcome to ElhamExpert. Today we are going to create something impactful using artificial intelligence. At this stage, we are using ChatGPT to help us write a script inspired by Michael Jackson's style. Now we ask ChatGPT, can you write a script as if it's spoken by Michael Jackson? Here's the response from ChatGPT. This is a script written in Michael Jackson's voice. Now let's copy the text so we can move to the next step. After preparing the text, we head to Heygen to turn it into Michael Jackson's voice. Now we paste the text we copied from ChatGPT to start the voice generation process. Now click the play button to preview the video. Next, we upload the image of Michael Jackson. Remember, the image must be a clear, full-face picture and without any glasses. At this stage, we enter details like age, gender, and ethnicity. Click the Create button to start generating the video.
Hi everyone, this is Mike.
Here's the final video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, always stay peaceful and calm. Don't forget to leave your comments below and we look forward to hearing from you. See you in the next video.